Well, okay, we've done a little bit of fractions. We better do something a little bit more complicated, I guess. I'm going to talk about sixths. This is sixths. So you get the pi and cut into 6 pieces. 6 equal pieces, I guess. So there's my pi. And there's a half. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to try and cut it at least into sixths. 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. And I'm going to ask myself what 2/6 is. Well, 6 is the denominator, which is how many pieces you cut the pi into, and 2 is how many pieces you get, which is this bit here. But you can see that that's the same. I'm going to try and draw it as accurately as I can, but I kind of suck at writing. Sucking at art, anyway. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. It should be obvious to you that 2/6 equals 1/3. So if you cut the pie into 6 and you take 2 slices, that's the same thing as cutting it into 3 and taking 1 slice. There's another way of looking at this fraction here. Let's try 5/6. What's that? That's cut the pie. That's taking the pie and divide it into 6. Divided into 6, and take 5 slices. Okay, so here's my pie. Cut it into 6. Super accurate. Oh, that's not very good. That is not very good at all. That's terrible. I'm going to get rid of that. Get rid of that. And I'm going to try again. Right. There's my pie. Do a bit. All I've got to do is slow down. That's not too bad, is it? 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. So here's 5/6. There you go. Pac-Man. There he is, 5/6. There's another way to think about 5/6, which is that if I've got 5 pies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pies, and 6 people sharing it. Yeah, 5 pies shared between 6 people. So you'd like a pie each, but you can't do it. So what you've got to do is take off a little slice like that. Person 1 has that slice, person 2 has that slice, person 3 has that slice, person 4 has that slice, and person 5 has that slice, and 6th person, person number 6, gets that piece, and that piece, and that piece, and that piece, and that piece. So that's another way of thinking about fractions. 5/6 means you've got 5 pies divided by 6, shared by, I guess, shared equally between. You've got to say equally, because otherwise you might say, well, one person gets a big slice and one person gets a small slice. 5 pies shared equally between 6. So there you go, 5/6. Okay, I'll stop there. It's pretty straightforward, that.